Hello, my name is Rob Garner. I'm a computer programming instructor, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to download Unity. So if you go to unity.com and click on Get Started, it'll bring you here and you have different plans and prices. We're going to go to the individual option, and everything I'm doing can be done with personal. You could also download student, but you'll have to go through some steps to get registered as a student. It will give you a lot more things that you can play around with, but we should be able to do everything we need with personal. And so I'm going to click on Get Started, and what you'll do is you'll go to first-time users, agree and download, and you're going to install first this application called Unity Hub. Now I've already done that, so I'm not going to go through that process, but I'm going to open up Unity Hub. And the reason why they created Unity Hub is that there's a lot of different versions of Unity, and you often will find that you'll need multiple installs of Unity in order to handle different projects. So right now I don't have any versions installed, so I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I'm going to add a version. Now the version we want that will match up with what's on the virtual machine that was created for us. Hold on a second. And we have a virtual machine which you can go to that CNM has provided for us, but the version that they've installed is 2.19.4 15F1. So the later version might be a little bit beyond that, and probably as long as it's 0.4 will be fine. But just so that we're all in sync, we'll put in 2.19.4 15F1, the same one that's on a virtual machine. So I'm going to, since it's not available here, we can visit this download archive. And we're going to pick 2.19 and 15, and you can click here on 2.19.4.15, which is the version we want. And it'll ask you if you want to open it up in Unity Hub. And it will show up here now. And then it'll ask for what build support. So it depends on what we're going to do. I'm going to recommend we put in Android build support, WebGL. If you have a Linux machine or anything, or a Mac machine, you want to play around with those, you could select those. And I think that will take care of what we need. So we'll install that. And it will go through its install. So we've got the long-term support version. And if we're all on, so I will expect that we will all be on this version so that we're all in sync. And this will be important later on when we do a group project. You'll want to make sure that you're all building on the same version. Otherwise, it gets kind of messy. And then to test this, I'm going to create a new project. Oh. Okay, it's in the process of installing. So what will happen is you will wait for this to finish building, and then you can start working on a project. So that will be it. And we'll go over how to start a project later. Thank you very much.